Look at that for a sunset. And I'm at the bottom of Soi 7. The reason why I'm here on Soi 7 is because today there's a birthday party on the Soi, which is Noi from the cafe, which is opposite A7DJ. So I just wanted to come down here, just see if it's got a bit more life in it. I believe that bars have been renovated and more have opened, so we'll have a wander up there. But first of all, we've got Eddie and Dave here.
Evening, Nick.
I found these here, having a drink in the...
By the sunset.
Yeah.
Oh, we only came down for the sunset, not for the drink, Nick.
You sure about that, yeah?
Yeah, it's lovely. Over there.
So, yeah, what we're going to do is this is bottom of Soi 7, we're going to go up and see what is happening up here. And guess who's just turned up?
The one and only, yeah.
The legendary Pat. Pat, have you had a few today already, or...?
We have, yes.
Boomerang bar. Can I hear a parrot in there?
Something screeching.
This end of the town, the Soi seems to me a bit, it's like a little bit tatty still, isn't it, this end?
I love this Soi. Normal circumstances, it's always banging, isn't it?
Yeah. I mean, okay,
they
are doing work, but as you get past the, sort of this end, it looks a lot better. Sorry, cab. You're open, yeah? Land of Smiles bar. We go party.
Yeah, there's something in a cage down there.
Pandora's, that's still closed. I believe Pandora's have opened up on Tree Town.
Oh, right.
But I don't think it's called Pandora's, it's called something else.
That's Jeff Carter's Christmas haunt, isn't it?
Yes, yeah.
I've been in it a few times.
All these are still closed. Well, there's one on the end open. But yeah, you can hear the music going off now at the for rent here. Come in here, yeah? Gossip Girl. Okay. Next to Gossip Girl, you've got these complexes here, the new beer, and these it's brand new, and these guys are for rent. This is beautiful. These are like brand new. They've done a good job here.
I like how they've remodeled everything.
Yeah. Right, this is Gossip Girl here on Soi 7, about halfway down on the left. Very nice bar, nice owner, Con. Come in and support him, guys. Come and support him. Oh, this one, Isan Bar. Just after the first lockdown, it was completely dark on here. It was totally dark, and it's not busy now, but it seems a lot better.
It's definitely a lot brighter than it was a few months ago.
And we've got the new hotel here, Blackwoods. Which is the sister of Flipper Lodge, just here. A little bit noisy here, but we are outside A7. Sorry, Cap, how are you? Mawa? Yeah, I want to look inside, yeah. good clean. Hey, look at this. Yeah. It's nice though, yeah?
Yeah, oh, it's beautiful.
Everything's brand new, you know what I mean? Everything.
It's only got 3 weeks used to it.
Yeah, yeah. Hey, Pat, I'll show you something here.
Yeah.
It's not switched on, but you'll like this one. Oh, that means I'm home. You buy it around for the table.
Oh, that's cool, yeah. That's affordable.
Oh, I miss this place.
Oh, thank you.
And then we've got the DJ box over here. Everything's stored away. We've got some problems in here, so we need to fix the roof. Everything's covered up. It's a bit noisy here, although we're not open. Shooters is not open. This end of the soy is, it's good to see a bit of life in it. The salon's open as well, that's good. But yeah, it just feels a little bit better, you know. We've got some food here for the party. Wow. Oh, are you okay? And it's just Noi's birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mama. You okay?
จะเกิดอะไรขึ้นห้ามกับพริบตากับความสามารถของนักมายากลได้ข่าวว่าโควิดไม่เคยแสดงที่ไหนมาก่อนนอกจากที่นี่ที่เดียวเพราะว่าที่อื่นไม่มีคนจ้างคนไม่โกงนะฮะห้ามโกงนักแสดงไม่ใช่รถผ่านแล้วแอบแล้วปรบมือให้กำลังใจครับสวด for him เชี่ยขอบคุณเจ้าหน้าที่ด้วย
Sound system going in. It's really good to see, you know, this part of the soy a little bit busy. This is the cafeteria. It's literally opposite A7. You've got Rolling Live 4, and then the cafe here. She's remained open all the time, so she's done very good.
The newspaper that you hear now is can be immersed the same one page. Thank you very much. It's wonderful. Thank you. ขอบคุณล่ามต่างประเทศฮะอ้าวขยับขยื่นตั้งแต่โควิดไม่ได้ขยับขยื่นเลยเซมแสดงความเข้า
That was really positive to see, you know, the top end of Soy 7 busy. Okay, they've got a party on, but great atmosphere. And I'm actually, I've been speaking to a lot of bar owners on the Soy, and they're asking when you're going to open. And you know, I did mention it in a stream the other day. It's coming close to it. I do think there's more people about now. And to be fair, they're all making an effort. You know, Gossip Girl, when we went earlier on, they, you know, she said, you know, she wants to remain open for the Soy, which made me feel a little bit guilty. I do think I made the right decision at the time, but I think it's now time to think about this seriously. And I think definitely before Songkran, we're going to be opening that bar. We have to renew the licenses. Well, we did let them lapse because we didn't know what was going on at the time. But I think it's kind of now time. And it's just good speaking to people down there. It's good speaking to the bar owners. There's one or two I need to speak to. So we just need to open. You can't have a Soy with a lot of bars closed. You need people, sort of bars, so it makes people worth the while going to the Soy. So it's looking better. It's looking a lot better. And how many people have said to me over the past year, close it, Nick, walk away, and I haven't. And even Pat said to me tonight, I understand why you didn't walk away now, because it's such a beautiful bar, and it is a beautiful bar, A7. But anyway, guys, thank you very much for watching, and positive video. Soy 7 will rise again. Thank you for watching, guys. See you later.